Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the pricing principles of forward and futures. In this concept we will calculate the future price or forward price. Pricing principle of forward and futures. In this there are three methods when this future and forward price is calculated when securities providing no income. First method is when securities providing no income. At that time, which formula we have to calculate, I will tell you later. Next method, for securities providing given amount of income. This is the second method, or you may say as given or fixed amount of income. It is nothing but fixed amount of income is given in the problem. At that time, which formula we have to consider, I will tell you later. And third method is for securities providing known yield. And also you may ask for calculate the value of the contract. For this you have to use this formula for value of the contract. It is nothing but the future price and multiply with contract size. That is the formula for calculating value of the contract. V is equal to forward or future price, whatever you have calculated, into contract size, or you may tell it is a number of securities. Next you may ask for cost of carrying. For calculating cost of carrying, the formula for cost of carrying is COC is equal to future price minus spot price. Whatever you have calculated the future price minus spot price, earlier price. Okay, for first method, now we will discuss about the first method, that is pricing contracts for securities providing no income. The first method is no income. When in the problem there is no income from securities, then you have to consider this formula for calculating future price or forward price, that is F0 is equal to S0 into e to the power RT, whereas F0 is equal to future price or forward or future price, and S0 is equal to spot price or a current price. Next, R is nothing but rate of interest given in the problem, and the last T is maturity period or time. By using this formula we will calculate future price or forward price. Let us see one problem. Calculate future price and value of future contract using the following information. Information is given in the problem, that is spot price, that is S0 is equal to rupees 4,000. Risk free rate of interest, it is nothing but R, that is given 10% per annum. Here 10% per annum means 10 divided by 100 you have to do. Next one is time to expiry, 76 days. So for that we have to divide 76 divided by 365 number of days. Next one is contract size, that is 100 units given. So solve this problem. Solution: write down first given data, whatever given in the problem, that is spot price is given spot price is S0, that is rupees 4,000. Next, R is given, risk-free rate of return, that is 10%. It means divided by 100 you will get 0.10. Next, T, that is 76 days. It means you have to divide by per year. 76 divided by number of days for per year, 365. 76 divided by 365, you will get 0.208. Next, contract size. Contract size, it is given in the problem that 100 units. 100 units. So what is the formula for calculating? That is F0 is equal to S0 e to the power RT, where spot price is given in the problem, that is 4,000. 4,000 into E, it is exponent, and R, the rate of interest, whatever you have calculated, 0.10 into time, 0.0208. 4,000 into 1 plus 0.10 into 0.208. 4,000 into, write in bracket total, okay, 1 plus multiply this, after you will get 0.020821. 4,000 into 0.02021. After multiplying, we will get future price rupees 4,083.284. 4,083.284. Now we have to calculate value of future contract. Value of the contract is equal to future price into contract size. The future price is whatever we have calculated, that is rupees 4,083.284 into contract size is given 100. After multiplying, we will get value of the contract, that is 4,08,328.4.